On the classwork page, you can use topics to organize your material. The topics will be a larger text size than the other items that you've posted on the classwork page. Once you have a topic created with material below it, you can drag and drop an entire topic at once to organize your classwork page. Once you've set up topics, you'll see them listed on the left-hand side. At any time, I can click on one of the topics and it will show me all of the items that I have posted with that topic attached to it. To create a new topic, I click the Create button and then I choose Topic. I can then give my topic a name and add it directly to my classwork page. There are a lot of different ways to use topics. You can organize your classwork page by modules, by weeks, by different types of material, by topic. It's completely up to you how you use your topics in Google Classroom, but they're a great way to help you organize. If you want to know how to get the icons, you have a video coming up called Formatting Your Posts, and that'll show you how.